Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the situation for special probability distribution. It is known that 10% where we have 0.1 of the patient with high fever are confirmed to be suffering from the dengue fever. If 20% where we have n patient with high fever are randomly chosen, find the probabilities that. So first of all, we must have the title. X is binarily distributed with n20 and 0.1 for the fever. Number 1, probabilities that less than 6 are confirmed to be suffering from the fever. So in here, modify the situation. 1 minus probabilities that x greater equals to 7 by referring to the table where we have n is equals to 20 and the probability of p is 0.1. Kindly refers to the table for the situation x greater equals to 7 and we have 1 minus 0.0024. So the probabilities that x less than 6 is equals to 0.9976. Number 2, exactly 15 patients with high fever are confirmed to be free of the fever. So in here the keyword is free from the fever. We have 15 patients. So means that exactly 5 of them are having fever. Exactly 5 of them are suffering from the fever. So by referring to the formula, probabilities that x is greater equals to 5 minus with the probabilities that x greater equals to 6. By referring to the table, here we have 0.0432 minus, for the situation x greater equals to 6, and we will have the probability 0.0113. So probabilities that x is equals to 5 suffering the fever is equals to 0.0319. Another example, it is known that we have 10% means that 0.1 of the patient with high fever are confirmed to be suffering from the fever. If 100 patient, so means that x is binomially distributed with 100 patient and with the probability for fever is 0.1. Next, kindly refers to the situation. Here we have the n which is greater than 50. So what we have to do is to change the title. X is Poissonally distributed with the situation lambda where we have NP. So the lambda will be equals to 10. So by referring to the situation, the lambda must be less than equals to 5. Then only said to be suitable to use the Poisson distribution. Next, kindly switch the situation to normal distribution where we have the mean is 10, variance, and PQ where we have 9. So kindly express the situation in standard deviation squared. So where we have 3 squared is equals to 9. So do remember continuity correction. By referring to the question, approximate the probability that from 10 to 15 patients are confirmed to be suffering from the fever. So here we have the situation. So first what we have to do is to have the continuity correction. So the situation will be probabilities that 9.5 and then 15.5. That will be the correction. The following step is to standardize the situation where we have 9.5 minus with the 10 over 3. Then Z, then we have 15.5 minus with the 10 over 3. Simplify the situation. Probabilities that where we have negative 0.17, then we have 1.83. By referring to the diagram, locate the value of Z, shaded the region, kindly construct the formula where we have 1 minus, eliminate these part, probabilities that Z greater than 1.83. Minus with the second part where we have to flip the situation 0.17. So here will be the shaded region. So what we have to do is to eliminate this part where we have probabilities that Z greater than 0.17. Kindly refers to the table 1 minus 0.0336 minus with 0.4325. So the probabilities that x is greater equals to 10 and less than equals to 15 will be equals to 0.5339. Next, number 2. Find the value of k such that the probabilities that more than k patient. So here we have x and k. More than k patient are confirmed to be suffering from the fever is 0.025. So step number one is to have continuity correction for the k, where we have x is greater equals to k plus with the 0.5 equals to 0.025. Next is to standardize the situation where we have k plus 0.5 minus 10 over 3 equals to 0.025. Next, refers to the diagram. Locate the value k on the left. Refers to the situation k z greater equals to the situation where we have to shaded the region. Then refers to the answer where we have the probability 0.025. So does the region make sense that we have the probability 0.025? And I believe the answer is no. Kindly locate the z on the right. Refers to the situation z is greater equals to, and here we have the shaded region. So this makes sense because the area is 0.025. Next, by referring to the table where we have the alpha value 0.025 and the value of z is equals to 1.96. So z will be k plus 0.5 minus 10 over 3 equals to 1.96. Rearrange the situation. K is equals to 3 multiply 1.96 minus with 0.5 plus with the 10. So the value of k is equals to 15.38. So k represent the patient. So approximately k is equals to 15 patient. Thanks for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.